Hello guys, welcome to the Handpan School. Today I want to show you on the Kurd a nice groove, but this groove is working on all kind of scales. So the groove is always working like right, right, left, right, right. So we're starting with the ding, then we go from the ding down to the next note and we play it with our thumb. Then we add our left hand and play one note, also with the thumb. Then we go back to the right hand with the thumb. So it's like that. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. And then we have a little pause and then we play again the right thumb. Bam, 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 bam. Pause, bam. Pause, bam. So now I want to show you a little variation. Instead of the pause, we can add other note and we can replace the last note also with other note. So then we have something like that. So of course, instead of have a pause, we can also add a clap to it. So you see, we have already a sandbox. We can play around with the sandbox and it's a nice groove. You can do so much with it and it sounds just nice. So just try out. I just want to give you this little demonstration to inspire you and yeah, just feel the groove and flow with it. Have fun.